It's Christmas. The lights, the trees, the sights and smells of the holiday season. Whether it's Santa Claus, Frosty the Snowman, or simply being with family and friends. Tonight, we invite you to join us as we take a journey through the holiday season. Join us as we celebrate the most wonderful time of the year. Now, what would this time of year be without the Christmas snow, the sleigh rides, or a snowball fight? Come with us as we celebrate a winter wonderland.
Tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Tonight, for the 5th year, that's right, the 5th year, we've come to celebrate the holiday that we all grew up loving. You know, I remember as a child growing up anticipating waking up and seeing all the presents that were placed under the tree, and then of course the things that Santa Claus had left just a few hours before. Do you remember that? Anybody can remember that long ago? But you know, that anticipation, it brought me joy back then. And it still brings us joy today. That's why we've gathered here tonight to celebrate the seasons of light. And before you leave this program tonight, you are going to see that light very, very clearly. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like for you to help me welcome, singing Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. Please welcome Joey Moritz.
Christmas present is here today, bringing joy that will last. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together. If the fate gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together. If the fates allow, hang your shining star above the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's look at the show.
Let's look at the show.
We're riding in a wonderland of snow.
Giddy up, it's grand. Just hold your hand.
We're gliding along with the song of a wintry fairyland. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy, cozy are we. We're snuggled up together like two birds of a feather would be. Let's take that road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. There's a birthday party at the home of Farmer Gray. It'll be the perfect ending of a perfect day. We'll be singing the songs we love to sing without a single stop.
At the fireplace while we watch the chestnuts pop.
Pop, 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 there's a happy feeling nothing in the world can buy. When they pass around the coffee and the pumpkin pie, it'll give me like a picture made by Maria and I. These wonderful things are the things we remember all through our lives. These wonderful things are the things we remember all through our lives. Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a lovely weather for a
Lovely weather for a lovely weather for a
lovely weather for a sleigh ride with you. Sleigh ride, going on a sleigh ride, going on a sleigh ride with you.
How's everyone doing tonight? Merry Christmas to you. Great to see you. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Now it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the snow. scar. But if you'll really hold me tight, you know all the way home I'll be warm. Now the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. Oh, the lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. We finally kissed goodnight. How I hate going out in the storm. But if you'll really hold me tight, well, all the way home I'll be warm. All the way home I'll be warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. As long as you love me so, let it snow, 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 let it snow. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, would you please help me welcome to the stage Miss Nikki Brown.
Oh, yeah. Never sung this song before.
I think we've done it 5 years in a row.
Yep, I think so.
But I still can't get you to stay.
I'm gonna go back to that one. I really can't
But
stay.
baby, it's cold outside.
I gotta go
But
away.
baby, it's cold outside.
This evening is bad.
Hoping that you drop by. I'll take your hand, your hands like ice. Beautiful, what's your hurry? Listen to the fireplace roar. Beautiful, please don't hurry. Put some records on while I pour. Baby, it's bad out there. No cars to be had out there. Your eyes are like starlight now. I'll take your hand, your hair looks swell. Mind if I move in a little closer? What's the sense of hurting my pride? But baby, it's cold now. Oh, it's cold outside. But baby, it's cold outside.
The answer is
But
no.
baby, it's cold outside.
Welcome
The day that you dropped in. I'll take your hat, your hair looks swell. Ooh, your lips look delicious, like waves upon a tropical shore. Ooh, your lips look delicious. Ever such a blizzard before. Maybe you freeze out there. It's up to your knees out there. I thrill when you touch my hand. How can you do this thing to me? Making my life long sorrow. If you please help me welcome to the stage, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Allie Lorraine.
Let's get this place rocking a little bit. What do you say? Get it. Y'all remember this one? Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with butterfly, rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Woo! There's our tree. Gonna rock around that tree all night. You will get a feeling when you feel it and you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly. You're rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in a new old-fashioned way.
Christmas is more than just lights, trees, and carols. It's a time of preparation and new expectations. What we need right now is a little Christmas time. We all need a little Christmas. Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're away. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming. Ladies and gentlemen, the man of the hour, the main man himself. Give it up for Santa Claus! Y'all give it up one more time for Mr. Claus here, huh? Well, he sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're away. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better somebody over there. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not howl. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.